When the December winds are blowing and the stars shine clear and bright, when the candles gently glowing through the quiet winter night, that's the moment I remember all the grace that set me free. In the stillness, in the wonder, I find what Christmas means to me. Christmas means a love unending, a hope that lights the darkest skies. Christmas means His grace descending, tears of joy and thankful eyes. It's the peace my heart is longing, it's the gift of Calvary. In His presence I am standing, that's what Christmas means to me.
It's the way the world grows quieter when we lift our songs above. It's the kind of shared with strangers, simple moments filled with love.
And I see His light reflected in the hearts of all who believe. Every blessing we remember, that's what Christmas means to me. Oh, Christmas means a love unending, a hope that lights the darkest skies. Christmas means His grace descending, tears of joy and thankful eyes. It's the peace my heart is longing, it's the gift of Calvary. In His presence I am standing, that's what Christmas means to me. More than lights and more than songs, He is love that carries on. More than gifts beneath the tree, He gave His life to set us free. More than wonders we can see, Jesus is our victory. He is love eternally, that's what Christmas means to me. Christmas means a love unending, a hope that lights the darkest skies. Christmas means His grace descending, filling hearts and changing lives. It's the peace my soul is singing, it's the joy of Christ in me.